Teddy Weddies. Where's my fluffy dog? Come here, Ted. Look how cute you are. Did you just get all done? Did you get all groomed? You're all fluffy. Come on. Teddy, come. Teddy, come. That's a good boy. Come here. Want a treat? Let's go get a treat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Teddy, come. That's better because you're in the sun. Come on. Teddy, come. Good boy. Ted. Very good job. Ted, good job. Come on, one treat. Come on. Teddy, come. Good job. Ted. Very good job. Come on. Teddy, come. Teddy, come.
Oh, Jesus.
We're recording. Teddy, come. Sit. Good job. Should we get a treat? Huh? A treat? Come. Sit. Very good. All right, let's get a treat. What should we get? Oh, is it the Eileen's Kitchen treat? Huh? Is that what we want? Oh, yes, you're licking your chops. Huh? You licking the chops? Is it good? Oh, yes, yummy. Stop licking those chops. Okay, now wait. Wait. Teddy, wait. Ted. Alright, good boy. Okay. Very good job, Ted. Very good. Is that good? Huh? Are you listening really good? Good job, Ted. Good job. Very good. Sit. Oh, such a good job. Such a good job. Let's get you another one. Yes, there you go. Good job. Did you get a little fluffy when you got your hair done yesterday? You fluff ball? Big marshmallow, aren't you? Oh, yes, you are. Is that delicious? Absolutely. Alright, say goodbye. Say bye. Who's there, Ted? Somebody there? Huh? Who is that? Is that Aunt Chris? Huh? Is that your Aunt Chris? Huh? What? Is that your Aunt Chris? Who is that? Who is it? Shall we go check? Who's out there? Huh? Who's out there? Shall we check? Is there somebody out there? Huh? You checking? Good job. Alright, say goodbye, Ted. Say bye. Goodbye, everybody.